Hi and welcome back to GSM-ABC, and today I'm going to show you how to disable delivery reports on Samsung Galaxy A34. First app will be from Samsung. Click on the app, click on the three dots, go to Settings, go to More Settings, go to Text Messages, and now disable it. If you want to disable multimedia messages, go here and disable these two ones. And now you won't get any delivery reports on Samsung messages. The same settings for messages from Google. Click on the app, set as default SMS app, select it, click on set as default, go to profile, go to manage settings, and scroll down and select advanced. And now you can disable get SMS delivery reports and you won't get any reports after sending a message. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.